Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Roblox on iPad with keyboard and mouse. So let's start. It's possible to do it. What you can do is have the keyboard and mouse. So you have to go on iPad and connect the keyboard and mouse. So you have to go to an experience and you will see the joystick using WASD and jump along with all of these desktop hotkeys that do not work as well. The spec behavior is a keyboard and mouse just fine. And also you have to check if everything is good for supporting your mouse and keyboard on your iPad. So you have to check this first, and when everything is working you can start using it without any problem. As you can see, it's very easy. So only you have to check it, and well, if you can connect it, you can start the experience about using the keyboard and the mouse with your iPad. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.